Oh my god, I can really see the lightning. Oh my god. Alright, so we're boarding the plane now, but then we got a red lightning alert, and there's, oh my goodness, look at that! I caught it on camera. Literally every second there's lightning. So we were told by Cathay Pacific that all flights have been suspended. Whoa!
Strike na.
Like a proper wow. Okay, oh wait, okay. And we're still here. What are you eating there, Eddie?
Kumakain ako ng boy bawang.
Masarap? Masarap ba?
Totoo. No, nga.
Yeah. Especially his breath smells like boy bawang. Very savory. I love it. Little flight update. We're traveling with Cebu Pacific, and we were just informed now that our flight is going to be delayed, and there's no estimate time of when we're actually going to be departing due to repositioning of the aircraft. And to be
Cebu to Manila.
What did I say?
No, I mean it's
No,
like,
no.
where are they repositioning
Yeah, we're
from?
heading off to Singapore. And to be fair, I'm not surprised. If we're delayed 30 minutes or 1 hour, for me that's already fast. But there's so many flights that have been delayed here. Sometimes 8 hours, 5 hours. Sometimes even after all the delay, it just gets cancelled. So for me, if it's delayed 30 minutes or an hour, I'm very happy for that. In Philippine standard, yeah, it's kind of, I've been traveling every year literally, and yeah, it's kind of normal for delays. So when you're traveling with Cebu Pacific or PAL, just come with an open-minded heart and yeah, enjoy the journey. And it's who you're with and where you're going, not the punctuality of the flight.
Well, they say, yeah, so I'm to WhatsApp them if you don't.
Singapore passenger. Finally boarding for Singapore. Katamay na muna. Alright. Oh my god, look at that lightning! Oh, where are we flying again at this time? Thank you. Okay. There's a red alert. Ano yung red alert? Yung ano yun?
Red lighting alert. Stop operations.
Sa atin? Pating sa atin? Oh.
Thank you.
Okay. Red lighting alert. Okay. Red lighting alert?
The lightning.
So it's been suspended and we're just gonna be in the plane.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can really see the lightning. Oh my god. Alright, so we're boarding the plane now, but then we got a red lightning alert, and there's, oh my goodness, look at that! I caught it on camera. Literally every second there's lightning. So we were told by Cathay Pacific that all flights have been suspended, right? No?
Yeah.
Until further notice. Why are we boarding the plane again?
So we like to look dangerous.
Yeah, anyway, we're boarding the plane. The flight has been suspended, so I don't know why we're boarding the plane, but we shall see and find out what happens. I can actually hear the thunder. Why? I still don't understand.
You tried to park the plane to begin with.
We can hear the plane. I mean, I can hear the thunder and the rain. Oh my goodness. Flight suspension. Hi, hello. Okay. Yes. Hi.
What's your seat number?
3.
It's just right
Yes, thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Okay. Right, what are we again? 3B. Alright. Oh, sorry. Okay lang. So it's not a full plane. So, but I can hear the thunder outside. Oh my goodness. 3B, here we are. Oops. I might have to ask for your help, Labidoos. I know. Alright.
Yes, for this flight must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call and have it
There's
confirmed.
still a red, what's it called? Red lightning alert, and if you look outside, it's still raining really hard. Are you ready to take off? No, me too. I'm not ready to take off. Our plane is not full, but it's a huge plane. There's like how many chairs on the aisle? There are 3 chairs on the aisle and 3 on each side. So that's quite a big plane. 369, yeah, 9 people per row.
Operations including movement at the ramp are suspended, which may lead to a delay in our boarding process. You may use the lavatories at this time. We will commence boarding once red lighting alert is lifted. Should you need our assistance, please do not hesitate to call and log your cabin crew. Thank you.
What is our plane actually? It's this an A330 Neo, which I've never heard of. But yeah, that's the plane that we're gonna use to take off with. Okay, some charging stations here. You've got your USB. And guess what? Look at this, look. We're closer. Can we see? Can we see? So we're closer. You can get closer to your seatmate. Oh, except for this one. We can't lift it. Closer.
Straight na.
Like a proper wow. Let's see. Someone give me ooh, boom. That was like, oh my gosh, mom. Let's see. Another one, wow. Okay, oh wait, okay. And we're still here. Oh my god, that was so strong.
Well, it's not gonna come back.
I know, every time I take the camera out, wow. Gosh, and Eddie's like okay to fly. I'm not okay to fly. Are you okay to fly?
No.
No. Oh my god. Look at that. That's okay, guess what? We're still here because yeah, there's still the red light alert. It's still raining outside. I think the lighting has slowed down, but because we've been stuck here, I'm all about safety first, but yeah. What time is it actually?
Half 9.
Half 9 now? Okay, we were meant to fly at 8:15. It's half 9 now, but because we're here, we're having midnight. No, it's not midnight snacks. We're having some snacks or merienda.
That's what you've come for.
Yeah, we came for the merienda here. Look, we're gonna have. Well, we'll see what they're serving us. Ayan na. No.
May pansit pa.
May pansit, but I think they're serving a caldo or instant cup noodles. Okay, yeah?
Yep.
I'll try the Nissan beef. That's okay, yeah.
One sheet and one
Okay, so yeah. Right, we are being served snacks. Can we see the snacks? Well, we'll see, but it's an option between, yeah. So a bunch of noodles spicy noodles are really spicy. So yeah, so I'm giving the spicy noodles a miss. I have this. Well, something good can come out of a red light alert anyway. We're happy people. It's all the same brand.
Well, no, they look the same. But I think the noodles are better.
In the UK? Oh wow, well, they do have
These are
quality control.
the cheap ones.
Yeah. They're expensive in the UK, even for instant noodles. Oh, it's very hot now. I literally think I'm gonna burn my mouth. Careful, the noodles you're about to enjoy is served
Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck,
piping hot.
Did you find your
thank
bag?
you from our ground staff. The red lighting alert has been lifted. We're starting to put our
Did you hear
cargo
that?
to
The
our
captain
aircraft.
just said
This will take about 10
that-
to 15 minutes.
what? We're gonna be
Then
taking
we'll be
off
on our way.
soon.
Thank you very much for your patience
Oh my
and
god, the red
understanding.
light.
They can get the luggage off from there.
Yeah, the red light thing. Red light district? What? Red light district? What am I saying? The red light. What's it called again? Warning has been lifted. But I do wonder because they literally just started serving the food and the plane goes all the way. I think there's like zone 4. There's 4 zones and yeah, I wonder if they'll be serving every person here with this. Because I guess technically we are ready to fly. No? How's that? No, ito diba? Won't they serve everybody even if we're ready to fly now?
No, we've been served, so that's fine.
I know. No, but now I feel like everyone should be served. But actually, aside from instant noodles, I'm seeing like ensaymada and hot dog sandwich. Everything's looking. Oh, there's even a hamburger. Yeah, I don't know.
We can pay for
Everyone's
taking
snacks
care
is
if we
looking
want
good.
some.
Yeah,
I feel like we're snacking.
yeah, super snacking.
Hi, once again from the flight deck, just to inform you that the cargo and the
Welcome to the toilet of Cebu
load
Pacific.
has been done. We have requested our pushback. We're number 4 to initiate it.
Alright.
So we're estimating out another 20 minutes more waiting only for our
I'll see you outside.
pushback clearance.
I just realized if you are traveling with a baby or yeah, if you need to change diapers, I don't see any of that here. So yeah, something for you to think about if you're traveling with your little ones.
And to release. In case of water
We are finally
landing,
taking
your life
off.
vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle.
Showtime.
Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube.
Hey, wow, take off. I don't even know we're taking off. Let's see. Can you even see anything? Yeah. Wait. Quickly, what's the time?
20 to 12.
20 to 12, okay. We are meant to take off at 8:15 and now it's 20 to 12.
We've been comfortable.
Almost midnight. Ooh, here we go. I don't know how this is gonna look at the camera. It's a bit dark and my hand is shaking. Whoa. Okay. Wow. It's actually, at least we're officially off the ground. Woohoo.
Speed.
Yeah.